Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is new boiler technology, biomass electricity. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, a new biomass-based vibrating grate boiler technology was launched in India. It claims to accommodate all kinds of agricultural residue as fuel and can be greener and may also help reduce the burden of stubble burning. Now moving on to the key points. Use of biomass is increasing to fuel steam boilers at electricity generation units to produce cleaner power. But the conventional boilers are designed only for specific types of agro residue such as paddy husk, paddy straw, mustard among others to be fired for its lifetime. A vibrating grate boiler, however, can be a solution for firing any kind of biomass. This biomass-based boiler is as efficient as a coal-based boiler. The efficiency is also achieved up to 85%, equivalent to coal-based thermal power generation. Now let's discuss what is vibrating grate boiler technology. This new technology developed in Denmark allows the plant to fire a wide range of fuels with less fuel preparation and handling. This boiler had a capacity of 75 tons per hour and generated 15 megawatts of electricity. Vibrating grate accommodates biomass of every density. Since the vibrating grate supports firing agro residue of any size, it saves energy consumed for processing biomass for energy generation. This system does not require any major structural change to accommodate any kind of agro residue, thus making it a better choice for reducing the burden of stubble. The flexibility of using any form of biomass also reduces the cost of transporting the fuel from a longer distance. This in turn saves energy and emissions due to transportation as well. Now lastly, let's discuss about biomass electricity. Biomass-based electricity is gaining momentum as the country moves towards power generation that is not carbon intensive. As per the Union Power Ministry, around 2.6% of the country's electricity demand is met by biomass. Biomass is renewable organic material that comes from plants and animals. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements with reference to the vibrating grate boiler technology. 1. The vibrating grate supports firing agro residue of any size. 2. This technology has been developed in Denmark. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.